Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of bulldozers, those colossal machines that shape our landscapes. With their powerful blades and unstoppable strength, these modern marvels are essential for construction, making our cities and roads possible. I'm thrilled to guide you through 19 incredible bulldozers that showcase the latest technology and innovation in the industry. So, buckle up and get ready to explore how these giants turn dreams into reality, one scoop at a time. The Caterpillar D11 stands as a titan in the world of heavy machinery, embodying strength and efficiency. Its robust engine roars to life, ready to tackle the most daunting tasks in mining and construction. With its massive blade, it effortlessly carves through mountains of earth, reshaping landscapes in mere moments. This bulldozer isn't just a tool, it's a force of nature, transforming the way we approach heavy lifting and earth moving, making the impossible possible. The Komatsu D155AXi-8 Super Dozer truly embodies the essence of engineering prowess. With its colossal size and unmatched power, it dominates the landscape, effortlessly shifting mountains of earth in mining operations. Its robust design and advanced technology allow it to tackle the toughest terrains, making it an indispensable tool for heavy-duty tasks. Watching this beast in action is nothing short of awe-inspiring, as it transforms the environment with sheer force, showcasing the incredible capabilities of modern machinery. The John Deere 1050K truly stands out as a powerhouse in the construction world. With its robust design, it effortlessly tackles even the toughest jobs, making it an essential asset for large-scale projects. Its impressive horsepower ensures that no task is too daunting, while its durability guarantees longevity, even in the harshest conditions. Whether moving earth or grading a site, the 1050K combines efficiency with reliability, making it a favorite among professionals who demand excellence in their equipment. The Liebherr PR 776 stands out in the world of heavy machinery, showcasing a blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design. Its fully hydrostatic system not only enhances efficiency, but also makes operation remarkably smooth, allowing operators to navigate challenging terrains with ease. This bulldozer is engineered for both power and precision, ensuring optimal performance in various applications. With its robust build and innovative features, the PR 776 is a game-changer for construction and mining projects alike. In the world of construction, precision is paramount, and the KÆNH 2050M bulldozer exemplifies this with its cutting-edge GPS technology. Operators can now navigate complex terrains with remarkable accuracy, transforming the way roads and foundations are built. This innovation not only enhances efficiency, but also minimizes errors, ensuring that every inch is accounted for. As the bulldozer carves through the earth, it symbolizes a new era of construction, where technology and craftsmanship merge to create robust infrastructures. The Caterpillar D6XE revolutionizes earth-moving with its groundbreaking electric drive system. This innovative dozer not only enhances efficiency by saving fuel, but also significantly reduces emissions, making it a greener choice for construction sites. Operators can experience the power of advanced technology while contributing to a sustainable future. With its robust performance and eco-friendly design, the D6XE stands as a testament to Caterpillar's commitment to innovation and environmental stewardship in heavy machinery. Feel the excitement as we take control of these incredible machines. With safety gear on, the engine's roar signals the start of our adventure. As we maneuver the bulldozer, the blade dances rhythmically, effortlessly, pushing dirt aside. It's fascinating to witness earth moving in action, a true testament to engineering prowess. And now, let's explore the cutting-edge bulldozers equipped with GPS and AI. These innovations are revolutionizing construction, making it smarter and more efficient than ever before. The Komatsu D155AXi-8 is a marvel of modern engineering, blending power with cutting-edge technology. Equipped with advanced GPS, this bulldozer ensures every movement is executed with remarkable accuracy, transforming rough terrain into smooth landscapes. Its intelligent systems adapt in real time, optimizing performance and enhancing efficiency. Whether grading a road or clearing a site, the D155AXi-8 redefines productivity in construction. This machine doesn't just push dirt, it carves out the future of earth-moving with unparalleled precision. The Shantui SD90-C5 bulldozer stands as a testament to engineering prowess, combining strength and precision for the most demanding construction tasks. With its robust design and advanced hydraulic system, it effortlessly tackles rugged terrains, pushing through the toughest materials. The powerful engine delivers impressive performance, ensuring efficiency and reliability on every job site. Whether leveling ground or moving heavy loads, the SD90-C5 transforms challenges into achievements, making it an indispensable ally for construction professionals worldwide. The Dressta TD-40E stands as a titan in the world of bulldozers, commanding respect across Europe for its sheer power and capability. With its robust design and impressive specifications, it excels in moving substantial volumes of earth with remarkable efficiency. Whether tackling massive construction projects or reshaping landscapes, the TD-40E delivers unmatched performance and reliability. Operators appreciate its advanced technology and comfort, making it an indispensable tool for heavy-duty tasks in any challenging environment. The Hitachi TCM LKD60 stands out as a powerhouse in the world of heavy machinery, seamlessly blending modern technology with robust efficiency. Designed for both construction and mining, its impressive performance ensures that even the toughest tasks are handled with ease. With advanced features that enhance productivity and reduce operational costs, this bulldozer is a reliable partner on any job site. Its durability and versatility make it an essential tool for professionals seeking to maximize their project outcomes. The Doosan DD100 stands out as a powerhouse in the world of bulldozers, expertly designed to tackle the most challenging terrains. Its robust construction ensures durability, making it a reliable choice for heavy-duty tasks. With impressive power and advanced technology, this machine effortlessly maneuvers through rough landscapes, transforming obstacles into manageable tasks. Operators appreciate its efficiency and ease of use, making the DD100 not just a tool, but an essential partner in construction and excavation projects. Bulldozers play a vital role in disaster recovery, transforming chaos into hope. After devastating earthquakes, hurricanes, or floods, these powerful machines tirelessly clear away debris, paving the way for rebuilding efforts. Their immense strength allows them to remove fallen structures and hazardous materials, ensuring safety for rescue teams and survivors. As they rumble through the wreckage, bulldozers symbolize resilience, helping communities rise from the ashes and rebuild their lives. One scoop at a time, the Volvo EC950F stands out as a powerhouse in heavy machinery, designed specifically for demanding mining and large-scale projects. Its high-efficiency engine delivers exceptional performance, allowing operators to tackle the toughest terrains with ease. The dozer's advanced technology enhances precision and productivity, making it an invaluable asset on any job site. With robust durability and innovative features, the EC950F not only meets the rigorous demands of the industry, but also sets a new standard for efficiency and reliability. The XCMG TY320A bulldozer stands as a powerhouse in the realm of construction machinery, blending strength and efficiency seamlessly. Engineered for large-scale projects, its robust design ensures it tackles the toughest terrains with ease. The advanced hydraulic system enhances its operational capabilities, allowing for precise movements and increased productivity. With its impressive horsepower and durability, the TY320A not only meets the demands of heavy construction, but also symbolizes China's growing prowess in engineering and innovation. The Hyundai H940C is a remarkable compact dozer that expertly balances power and agility, making it an ideal choice for tight spaces. Its nimble design allows operators to maneuver effortlessly in confined areas while still delivering impressive performance. With robust features and efficient hydraulics, the H940C tackles challenging terrains with ease, ensuring productivity without compromising on safety. Whether for construction, landscaping, or site preparation, this dozer proves that great things can come in small, powerful packages. The Zoomlion ZD220-3 revolutionizes the way we tackle tough terrains with its cutting-edge smart technology. Designed for extreme conditions, this bulldozer excels in snow and rugged environments, ensuring maximum efficiency and reliability. Its advanced features allow for precise control and adaptability, transforming challenging tasks into manageable ones. Whether clearing heavy snowfall or navigating rough landscapes, the ZD220-3 stands out as a powerful ally, embodying innovation and resilience in construction and maintenance operations. Embrace the future of bulldozing. The Alpine SnowCat glides effortlessly across the winter landscape, a mechanical beast engineered for precision and power. With its massive tracks gripping the snow, it carves out perfectly groomed ski slopes, transforming untouched powder into a skier's paradise. As it hums along, the SnowCat's blade slices through the drifts, packing the snow into a firm base for exhilarating runs. Each pass leaves behind a pristine canvas, inviting adventurers to carve their own paths down the mountainside. The Bombardier BR350 stands as a testament to engineering excellence, designed to conquer the harshest winter landscapes. With its formidable power and robust build, this snow bulldozer effortlessly navigates through deep drifts and icy terrains. Equipped with advanced technology, it ensures optimal performance even in extreme conditions, making it an essential tool for snow removal and transportation in remote areas. The BR350 embodies reliability and strength, transforming daunting winter challenges into manageable tasks for operators. The Mitsubishi BD2G stands out as a compact powerhouse, expertly designed for smaller projects that demand precision and maneuverability. Its robust engine delivers impressive performance while maintaining fuel efficiency, making it an economical choice for contractors. With its agile design, the BD2G can navigate tight spaces effortlessly, tackling tasks from landscaping to site preparation. This dozer combines reliability with versatility, ensuring that even the smallest jobs receive the attention they deserve, all while delivering exceptional results. The HSW TD-25M bulldozer stands as a testament to engineering prowess, designed to conquer the harshest landscapes with unwavering determination. Its robust frame and powerful engine enable it to navigate rocky hills and muddy valleys effortlessly. Whether clearing a construction site or tackling a challenging mining operation, this machine thrives where others falter. With precision and strength, the TD-25M transforms rugged terrain into manageable ground, proving that no obstacle is too great for its relentless capabilities. Bulldozers are incredible machines, aren't they? Their strength and versatility shape our landscapes, making way for new buildings and roads. Today, we explored 19 of these mighty machines, each showcasing their unique features and capabilities. If you're fascinated by the world of construction and heavy machinery, you won't want to miss our upcoming videos. Remember to spell "funny" with me, ANNFUNNY. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, let's keep having fun together.